important thing that I need to note that this operation was really successful. Russian military planes that were used for targeting people, our civilian infrastructure, was destroyed or damaged. Unfortunately, Russian leadership uses it in really wrong way. They said that they will respond to that. And actually they're doing that. They're responding with attacking on, again, civilian infrastructure and normal people. But it's also worth to know that if you check, so exactly one day before the spider web operation, there was another huge attack, massive attack of drones and missiles on Ukrainian cities with casualties, with damages of residential buildings. So basically, this operation itself was our response to the killing of our people. And that's a big difference because what we attacked, what our Ukrainian forces attacked, it was military targets. It goes fully into the rules of war because we were damaging the items that are used for killing our people. On the other hand, what Russians do in their response, they're targeting only peaceful cities. They're killing just peaceful children and people. They're destroying residential buildings during almost every single